A Rajputana sword dealer was arrested with 12 swords in Bhopal, just one of the many sword possession cases flooding Indian courts. That's the shocking truth. Even decorative swords can land you in prison. Welcome to Legal IITian. Save, share, and follow. The 9-inch rule. Under the Arms Act 1959, any sword over 9 inch in length or 2 inch in width requires a license, regardless of the sharpness or material used. Spring steel, hardened steel, or purely ornamental makes no difference. The law defined arms as articles designed as weapon for offense or defense, and swords clearly fall under this definition. State specific rules can be even stricter, like Madhya Pradesh requires licenses for blades over 6 inches, while Delhi restricts certain knife types over 3 inches. Now, the recent enforcement cases. Recent arrests prove this law is actively enforced nationwide. Pratik Bhosle, Pune, 26 swords seized from his home, charged under Arms Act, Section 25. Sameer Agadia, Bhopal, 21 swords, arrested with 12 swords measuring 33 inches each. Shoaib Qureshi, Bhopal, 33-inch sword recovered from home after a video went viral showing the public brandishing. 12 men arrested in Hyderabad because they bought swords online, weapons seized from their residences. 7 men were arrested in Uttarakhand, arrested for sword attacks, all weapons confiscated from home. These cases show that police actively monitor social media, conduct raids based on the tip offs, and seize weapons from private residences. Now, let's talk about the religious use. There is no blanket exception, except despite Rajputana swords being used in puja and having deep religious significances, courts have ruled there is no blanket exception existing apart from Sikh kirpans under the constitutional protection. The Calcutta High Court allows Shastra Puja at home but maintains that weapons still require proper licensing. Even blunt spring steel swords from Rajasthan, popular for religious ceremonies, need Arms Act compliance. The law doesn't distinguish between ceremonial and combat ready weapons when determining the licensing requirement. Now, what are the severe legal penalties? The legal penalties are severe and getting stricter. The Arms Act Section 25, 3 to 7 years of imprisonment for unlicensed possession. BNS Section 110, attempt to commit culpable homicide if brandished as a threat. Now, BNS Section 223, public display carries cognizable non bailable charges. BNS Section 351 2, creating alarm through weapon display. Now, recent conviction Sambaji Galagwad received 1 year for Arms Act violation plus 5 years for IPC Section 307. Courts consistently impose minimum sentences with convictions reaching 80 to 90% for home possession cases. Now, home possession isn't safe. Many believe home storage is safe, but it's not. Police regularly raid homes based on the social media posts showing weapons, tip off from neighbors or dealers, public incidents leading to investigation, routine weapon crackdown. The Pune case shows how weapons stored in white bags on terrace still led to the arrest. Even buying from unauthorized dealer creates a paper trail that police can follow back to your home. Now, the bottom line is get proper licensing before buying any sword over 9 inches, decorative or not. Apply through your district magistrate, pay 500 rupees fee, undergo police verification, and make proper documentation. The law doesn't care about your religious intention, spring steel composition, or decorative purpose. One unlicensed sword can mean years in prison. Stay informed, follow the legal ITN for more legal insight. Jai Hind.